Let's take a look at the leg muscles, the lower extremity of the mini man muscle model. I call him the Gladiator Man. Looks as if he is holding a shield and wielding a sword. Kind of. On the posterior aspect of his leg is the gastrocnemius, and then on the anterior aspect of the gastrocnemius is the soleus. Notice that the tibialis anterior moves down the anterior aspect and inserts on the medial aspect of the foot. These are the tendons of the extensor digitorum longus muscle. A little bit difficult to sort out possibly in this area. Then moving down the lateral aspect of the leg is the peroneus longus, sometimes called the fibularis longus, goes behind the ankle and inserts on the lateral aspect of the foot. Very good. Keep up the good work. Buen trabajo. Muy bien.